ladies. May I now request our editor to please tell us more about the latest issue of Cineblitz magazine?
Hi, everybody. I want to say thank you to everyone for coming here today. But most of all, thank you to Huma, who has given us a beautiful cover. I'm sure you all will agree. And I just want to share a bit about this issue. It's our New Year special. It's the first issue of 2015. And we went with a theme, it's looking back, looking forward. So we didn't want to go with the same typical people, perhaps. We wanted somebody who's new, who's bold, who does things differently. Even though you have restrictions in Bollywood, somebody who's still going against the grain, still standing out among the crowd. And we, kind of unanimously decided that we had to approach Huma because we are all great admirers of her work. Her films from Gangs of Wasepur, De Dishkya, especially her roles in that really stood out, really made a mark. And we're really looking forward to see what she has to offer us now with Badlapur. For sure, it's not going to be something just cosmetic because that's not what she has been doing all this time anyway. So Huma gave us a wonderful cover. She was really very enthusiastic, very down to earth, and she surprised us all with her fashion sense, I think in her films, maybe that hasn't come across yet, but I think she's turning into one gorgeous diva. Really happy with this transformation, this growth, I should say, not...
Diva is a very tricky word, yeah. Matlab, suddenly you say diva and people say, acha, attitude and all. No, but thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Pratishtha. Thank you, the entire team of Cineblitz. Thank you, Munna, for making me look so pretty. The day I have to share this, okay? The day we shot the cover, I had taken a 4.5-hour flight and I had come. And मैं इतनी थकी हुई थी, मतलब कहते ना full 12 बजे हुए थे. और मुझे लग रहा था कि आज तो पता नहीं, first time shooting a cover for Cineblitz, I really wanted to look very nice, but I was so tired. But really hats off to the entire team, to Munna, who within 4 hours knocked out the entire photo shoot and has made me look so nice. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. कहते हैं जनवरी में लोग new resolutions बनाते हैं और पुरानी आदतें छोड़ के कुछ नई चीजें adopt करते हैं. I'm glad you've adopted me in that sense. Thank you so much.
I think the pleasure was entirely mutual in this case, and we have a beautiful spread. I request everyone to really pick up that magazine, go through it, and enjoy the pictures. More than that, I must say, the wisdom, I should say, that Huma has shared in her interview. A beautiful speaker. She has shared very candid insights about her career, her growth in this industry. And I really think someone like her deserves to be applauded, deserves to be supported, because I really see a long future and a very good, strong future ahead for her. So thanks, ladies and gentlemen. Huma, you'd like to add something more?
I just want to say thank you once again. It's not easy being an actor. Yeah, you always have to, I guess, keep reinventing yourself. As far as fashion sense is concerned, yes, I'm glad you've noticed. It's a decision. It's a conscious effort to look more fashion forward every single time you step out. I'm the kind of girl, I'm very happy in my pajamas and flip-flops. But I guess being an actor, it's a huge responsibility. People are looking at you. I guess looking to get inspired by how you sort of turn up for various things, and I'm glad I have a great team now who support me, and like I always, I'm a work in progress. I always want to keep bettering myself, whether it's my movies or it's my fashion sense. And thank you, Cineblitz, again. It's a great start to this year, and I hope that we continue this association. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Huma.
Huma, would you like to share your thoughts about our magazine and about the shoot?
Well, I just did, no? I mean, I just said what a wonderful creative team. I mean, Pratishtha is a great person to have. I mean, it didn't seem like an interview, actually. We were just two girls having a chat, and I guess मैंने जो बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा उसको बोल दिया. मतलब, then I like, अरे मैं कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं बोल दिया. तो मैं देख ये सब मत लिखना, please. People will think I know it all. But no, it was really nice chatting with her because I just felt I was talking to a friend. It didn't seem like an interview, and I think that just flowed. And of course, like I said, in 4.5 hours with Munna's amazing lighting, he just managed to make me look so pretty. And we were just done with the entire shoot, and the result is there for everyone to see. And I think kudos to the whole team who managed to pull it off, because we decided a week ago that we were going to shoot the cover. So we hardly had any time to prepare. I was a little nervous because I'd never, worked together with this whole team, but I think it looks fabulous. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for enlightening us on the magazine. We would now like Huma and Nicola and the photographer Munna S, who created this beautiful cover,
कराया हो?
पहली बार जिंदगी में जब मैंने एक फोटो शूट कराया था तब मैं दिल्ली में थी एंड थिएटर करती थी और किसी ने कहा था कि एक पोर्टफोलियो होना चाहिए, पिक्चर्स होनी चाहिए एक्टर के पास, आपको फिर अलग अलग कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स को भेजना होगा तो कुछ तो पिक्चर्स होनी चाहिए। तो एक मेरे दोस्त थे फोटोग्राफर, ही वाज स्टडीइंग टू बी अ फोटोग्राफर, सुशांत, ही इज नो मोर नाउ, ही वाज स्टूडेंट एट FTI, so he had bought a new camera, so we wanted to experiment. So Ansal Plaza करके एक मॉल है, हम लोग ने उसके एम्फी थिएटर में बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स खींचे थे। I still have those pictures. I keep them because Sushant is a very dear friend and those were possibly his pictures and the first time I ever got clicked. But वो उसमें मैं इतनी खराब लग रही थी because there was no makeup. मैंने खुद अपना मेकअप किया था, मैं ऐसे कुछ घाघरा स्कर्ट और एक ब्लैक टॉप पहना हुआ था and I was looking really bad. और मैंने वो एक्चुअली पिक्चर्स काफ़ी लोगों को भेजी और अब मुझे इतनी शर्म आती है सोच के कि व्हाट वाज आई थिंकिंग कि ये पिक्चर्स देख के किसने मुझे बुला भी कैसे लिया। बट आई गेस यू लर्न फ्रॉम योर मिस्टेक्स एंड दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट स्टेप इनटू गेटिंग अ प्रोफेशनल शूट डन। रोहन श्रेष्ठा वाज द फर्स्ट गाय आई थिंक आई डिड माय फर्स्ट प्रोफेशनल फोलियो विद, व्हिच वाज वेरी लेट। मतलब आई डिडंट हैव गुड पिक्चर्स फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम। मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि मेरी नाक थोड़ी टेढ़ी है, सो इन ऑल माय पिक्चर्स ऑलवेज कीप लुकिंग एट माय नोज कि माय नोज इज नॉट looking nice. So I was, strangely for an actress, I was quite conscious of getting, pictures clicked. But now, of course, we have good photographers like Rohan, like Munna, like Abhay Singh, who I've worked with, and they just manage to just capture some really beautiful images and some beautiful moods.
जब मैगजीन थोड़ी पुरानी हो जाती है तो उसकी तस्वीरें काट के बचपन में इंसान लगा लिया करता था कमरों में, या कभी कुछ ऐसी याददाश्त है, कभी आप किसी पर्टिकुलर एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस की तस्वीरें लगाते थे?
बचपन में मैंने तो हमेशा कहा है, I've been a huge माधुरी दीक्षित फैन, तो उनके बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स मेरे पास हैं, अभी भी हैं. इनफैक्ट उन्होंने एक फिल्म में हम आपके हैं कौन में एक ग्रीन और वाइट कलर का लहंगा पहना है, तो आई हैव अ पिक्चर ऑफ मी ऑल्सो at some wedding wearing the exact same outfit, because मैंने बहुत जिद की थी कि I want to wear what she's wearing, kind of a thing. So I had a huge fascination with her, the way she danced, the way she expressed, जैसे वो express करते थे अपने face से, मतलब dancing तो वो इतनी अच्छी करती थी पर उनका face अलग dance कर रहा होता था. तो she's always been someone I've always loved and admired.
Hello, hi Huma ma'am. This is Harsha from TV9 Marathi. मैम हाल ही में आपको बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्ट्रेस के लिए अवार्ड मिला है, तो उसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे, और नेक्स्ट आपकी बदलापुर जो फिल्म्स आ रही है उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
जी बिल्कुल, थैंक यू सो मच. अवार्ड मिलना हमेशा अच्छा लगता है, चाहे किसी भी कैटेगरी में क्यों ना हो. ये फिल्म मैंने की थी पिछले मतलब इसी टाइम लास्ट ईयर रिलीज हुई थी, तो इट्स वेरी नाइस दैट इवन आफ्टर अ ईयर लोगों को आपका काम याद है, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस याद है. मुझे लगा लोग भूल गए होंगे, बट आई थिंक एक अवार्ड्स, रिवॉर्ड और अवार्ड दोनों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. रिवॉर्ड मतलब जनता ने आपकी पिक्चर देखी, टाइम निकाला अपने जीवन से आपकी फिल्म देखने के लिए. एंड अवार्ड इज ऑल्सो गुड वे, बिकॉज आई फील इंडस्ट्री गेट्स टुगेदर. आपके जो कॉलीग्स हैं, जो मेंटर्स हैं, जो इंडस्ट्री के बड़े हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं आपको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं कि बेटा तुमने अच्छा काम किया. सो इट ऑलवेज फील्स नाइस टू गेट एन अवार्ड. ऑफ कोर्स Dineshki has been a very special film, I've always said. मुझे बड़ा मजा आया काम करके. Of course, मेरी favorite माधुरी दीक्षित थी उसमें. There was Naseer sir, there was Arshad, a fantastic director like Abhishek Chaubey, a producer like Vishal Bhardwaj. तो मुझे हमेशा लगता है मैं बहुत लकी हूँ कि मुझे अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिलता है. तो उनके साथ काम करके थोड़ा मैं भी सीख जाती हूँ, और उनके बीच में मैं भी थोड़ी ठीक ठाक लगती हूँ. So so this win, I think they deserve it more than me, really.